Guys, please subscribe and help Ama Fans Wethu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Hitatlaya Banu.
Where's Thibo? Thibo, first of all, I want to make a correction to you. Sundowns ngake? 2. Chiefs.
1.
So ngicela ucancele lapho uthi abo referee banamuhla konje bokuba no referee.
Yakabo referee.
Yeah, uthi referee 2.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs
1.
Yes. Yeah.
Referee 2. Kaizer Chiefs 1.
Yeah, Sibo. Yeah, I'm happy ukuthi ngizwe lokho. So, Sibo, no ungangiphazamisa because ngisafuna ubatshela kancane. Lalela Sibo, namuhla ngihappy mfethu ne. Abafana bami badlalile kakhulu bafethu. So ayikho into engayiblame kibo bakhuphulile yabona the way bakhuphule ngakhona yasibona nesmile yabona namanje ngisasho iKaizer Chiefs efikile no idada yabantu ngihlala ngibatshela ngithi shaya izandla bo ifikile Kaizer ifikile idada yabantu Wola mpinjami yabona mangabe une fair mfethu ne iChiefs akusiyo le la season iChiefs ikhuphule kakhulu lalela Sibo mfuna ukutshela into eyiwana mayelana neChiefs ne uyabona the way bekungakhona namuhla iSundowns kokucala beyithukile bathi thatha lento ayinabungozi but iSundowns yazathatha nabo referee abanabungozi uyabona so ku right esayidini labo cabanga mfethu uma ukhuluma uthi abo referee baropa bakutshela ukuthi dala iChiefs kuropa dala isana Rothman Cup ngicabanga that time ne besebenzisa ama TV ne aneyidunu njengalomkhapha uyangandastand yeah ama TV akudala bekunje manje sisebenzisa ama flat screen yabo sisebenzisa ama flat screen mfethu so angeke uzuthola smart TV esinje bafethu asikho yabo yeah smart TV so asikho mfethu so mina ngiya understand ukuthi izikhipana smart TV kumele usibheke ukuthi sinjani mara mina ukutshela into eyiwani Sibo yabona unabe mfethu uza kahle nje last down into engayithandanga namuhla yabona istadium besigcole kanjani ngiyawabonga ama supporter the way igcole ngakhona yabo guys silimaza ama player wethu lawa siwathandayo sawalimaza ureferee wenza mistake and mistake you understand not a mistake ama mistake so ama supporter aphosela izinto estadium ashaya bobani bafethu lalela uma ureferee mangabe usebenzisa inqondo uyisupport asibe nefair ureferee usecenter uyangandastand uphosela izinto awunayo even a shot ukuthi ingafika le ushaya laba bala ngisho bona no ngisho ama supporter no
ma support ama Chiefs tolo la tadi sorry please irma sura Chiefs
mangabe usebenzisa inqondo ne uzoba right ngithe mina mangicala istadium besigcwele ngama support eKaizer Chiefs but into abayenzile angiyithandanga uyabona then kuze umuntu oqashile namuhla azofakaza but anyway angikho lapho uyabona bafethu mina ngilinde iMonday ne eshilo shakusaseka uzokhuluma but ukukhuluma kwakhe angeke kusasiza next mfethu khona ile ama-handball engiwabonile but abazama wajaji khona ibhola lashabalala bekeza nalo aliphusha uyangandastand bathi offside uyangandastand anginasho mfethu ngegoli number 2 ye-Sundowns but kunobukhonyovinyana obukhona lapho then kunegoli leli equalizer le-Chiefs bathe offside nakhona kunentonyana engathi ayikho right angazi ukuthi bekuyi-offside or bekuyi-onside ngoba ukhumbule thina phela ama-champ ne sibukela ibhola e-stadium asibukele TV yabo so laba ababukele TV already sebanayo i-answer uyangandastand thina sibukela la stadium akuphindwa la ukuthi kanje yabona but hey ngingakhohlwa impintshi yami yazi namuhla ya birthday ipintshi yami ya birthday uyolambatha but
uyolambatha
lalela khona ingoma yelentuzane ye-birthday ne abahlala bayiphinda happy birthday to you acabanga into enjalo no lo muntu deserve into better mfethu uyayideserve into better not ukuthi happy birthday ngathi usoculela lentuzane mina siculela umuntu owenza abantu babe ama-celebrity abantu abenza like uthi mawuhamba bathi killer ngenxa yakhe mfethu mawuthi yapika bathi killer sicela isithombe ngenxa yakhe mfethu bathi abamazi lo muntu yabo so lo muntu lona mfethu lalela
umbulelo umfayini lelo sirumbulelo rini mutlhona abo mutshwara umuntu Orlando Barrett rifumuji
no
no wathiba emanyana ubuthi malaba ka rejamela relax Orlando babulela ke abulela shit ka Australia no wathiba for yini eta masabra Chiefs please dola bulela ke lokari lejilo man lejilwe barrelax lena relax eta ifuna tshela anorasa urumshopite anti challenge asase kiyaka lempekeka mfana muji it's not going anywhere ke muntu for life weba mpasi
we were robbed
lalela bona angimangali mfethu ne angimangali Sibo into eyenziwa uMagolide namuhla from today sokuMagolide and lama gold lawo we5 azosuka nga11 ngoba ayobolisa amazinyo lalela mfethu ngifuna ukutshela into eyi1 ngobhakaniya and ubhakaniya anga-understand but islogan sabo bathi bakamagebhula bagebhula umhlaba and the way angakhona uzokwenza ngathi wonke amabhakaniya kanti uyayi1 uya-understand angikho lapho yes nami ngiyala so into ebeyikhona bengizothi impintshi yami yolambatha impintshi yami yolambatha yazini bengifuna guys bengifuna ukulela uyolambatha manje ngimbhekile but ungale ngomuva but happy lalela thula happy birthday yolambatha happy birthday yolambatha sakuthanda thina sakuthanda sakuthanda thina sakuthanda happy birthday yolambatha happy birthday yolambatha enjoy your day. Yes, cabanga abantu bakhuluma uJomo Sono ne bathi wayekela umshado wayowinisa iPirates guys asuye phela wenza izinto ezinhle uyolambatha ukumela enjoy nomuntu wakhe nomntana wakhe bathi ula nethi uzokwenza umsebenzi ukuthi nje ukuthi ukhuphula ukhila nje bathi khila and into engijabulisayo League Legends the Kaizer Chiefs boy. Ngiyabonga mfethu ne. Man of the match impintshi yami ne before ngivala. Man of the match yami vandag ne. uReverend nabulazimeni bakhe and ngicela ukuthi kube sure khona into enginoticile ngabo Reverend that is why abantu aba notice that is why ba review izinto ezingekho mfethu mawuye toilet ne uyaya bese uyasheshela but abo referee bacala ngokusheshela then bayakhona that is why basirefele izinto ezinje yabo angeke uze etoilet uqale ngokusheshela then uthi yo ref lapho uyonukisela abantu lapha ngoba kumele usule after hayi ukuthi usule eqala then uya lentozana hayi basidelela but Sundowns Mpinjama angeke izivuke ishaye iKaizer Chiefs never kusazothatha isikhathi ukuthi iSundowns ishaye iKaizer Chiefs sure
Thank you.